So after creation of our database, now we are going to set up our .NET project. And for this project we are going to use Visual Studio 2022. First of all, we need to select language, which must be C# for this project, and solution type must be web. Now we will select a project which is ASP.NET Core with Angular. Now we write project name here. In project name we will have customer app.web and solution name will be customer app. Now let's move on the next step. For solution we need to select .NET 7.0, which is latest, and we are using this for our current project, and we don't need authentication at the moment, so move forward here. Now after creation of this project, let's see what we have in this project here. First of all, we have controllers, and one built-in controller is weather forecast controller, which is default controller. Also we have Angular application here, client app. First of all, we will define project structure, as we are going to use repository pattern for the sake of separation of concern. So next we are going to create repository project. Let's see. And for this project we will use class library type so that we can reuse it and we can add it to our main primary project. This class library project name must be customer app.repository. For this project we will also use .NET 7.0. We will remove all the default classes from this project, as we are going to create our own folders and our own classes in this project. Now we are going to create another class library type project which will represent services. Another object we are going to create is DTO type project. It's data type object. This project is also standalone type because we can use it in services or we can use it in other projects also. For example, if we have DTOs in repository and then we want to use those DTOs in services, then we need to refer that project to services project, which may create circular dependency. Just to avoid that circular dependency, we are going to create another project just for DTOs. Now we have 4 total projects here. One project is the web project, which is our startup project, and in services project we will have our business logic. In repository we will have all entities, and in DTOs we will have our all DTO classes. Basically we are implementing separation of concern in this project. For all different concerns we are having all different projects which have their own responsibilities, and they will not create circular dependencies. Hope so you understand this basic structure of our project. Now in next parts we will see all layers one by one.